Hello everyone, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to withdraw crypto on a Tonkeeper wallet. So we have our cryptos here and there are two options. Of course, you can select your Ton coin and decide to send it, and you can send it with an address name and a comment to an external wallet where you can have it withdrawn into another wallet. Another option is to click on the buy and sell icon here. So we're going to click on buy and sell. And then to sell, you have sell ton. If you have your not coin, you're going to also see the option to sell not coin. So we have the option to sell ton. We're going to select Mercurial. You can see sale with withdraw to a credit card. So when you tap on it, it's going to take you to the next page where you can have to put in your details, your card details, and make sure you have enough ton coin for this transaction. We're stopping here because for security reasons, we cannot go further in order to access this. But these are the procedures to follow if you want to withdraw crypto from your Tonkeeper wallet.